La 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 la, Cebuano, Cebuana. La 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 la, Fortuna, la Fortuna. Through the years, there's this place that stands among the rest. The taste that brings memories of classic delicacies, like hopia, masi, fortune cookies, tikoy, pianono, Belgium and ampao, steamed cakes and buns, a must-buy in Cebu. La Fortuna Bakery, serving snacks, meals and drinks. La Fortuna Bakery, great value for your money. Freshness is always guaranteed at Cebu La Fortuna Bakery. La Fortuna Bakery, Chinese treats taste so good. La Fortuna Bakery, move your day forward. The original best pasalubong, famous, delicious specialties. La 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 la, Cebuano, Cebuana. La 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 la, Fortuna, la Fortuna.